Question 4. A farmer has £1,200 to buy apple trees and pear trees. Apple trees cost £24.75 each, pear trees cost £12.50 each. He buys 35 apple trees. How many pear trees can he buy with the money he's got left? Well, the first thing to do is to find the total cost of the apple trees. And to do that, we need to start with £24.75 because that's the cost of one apple tree. And we need to multiply this by 35 because he buys 35 of them. So it's £24.75 times 35. And we need to work that out now. It is a calculator paper, so let's take advantage of the calculator. So it's £24.75 times by 35. So his apple trees cost £866.25. Now we need to figure out how many pear trees he can buy with the money he has left. Well, the first thing we've got to do is figure out how much he's actually got left. So he started with £1,200 and he's spending £866 on apple trees. So we need to subtract that amount from £1,200. So it's £1,200 subtract £866.25. So let's work that out. So it's 1,200 subtract £866.25. So he's got left £333.75 left. Let's just put that amount here to make it more obvious which numbers we're using. Now he can buy, how many pear trees can he buy with this money? Well, this is where we need to look at the cost of pear trees. Pear trees are £12.50 each. So we need to know how many £12.50s he can get into £333.75. So that's going to be a divide. So it's £333.75 divided by £12.50. And the answer will tell us how many pear trees you can buy. So it's £333.75 divided by £12.50. And the answer says 26.7. Let's just write 26.7 pear trees. Now this is where we need to use a little bit of common sense. You can't actually get 26.7 pear trees because the 0.7 of a pear tree doesn't make sense. So you can only get a whole number of pear trees. Now, he doesn't actually have enough money to get 27 pear trees, so although this is closer to 27 and normally we would round up to 27, he hasn't got enough money for 27. So he can actually only have enough money to buy 26 whole pear trees. So the answer we've got to put in this answer space is 26.